High performers don't always look lost. Sometimes it looks like staying busy, but deep down having a feeling of being unfulfilled. We say that we're in transition, but yet nothing is shifting. We start a lot of things, but we don't always finish them. We're not lazy. We may be disoriented, we may be disconnected, or we may even be untethered. The system, the structure, the role, the title, the position, whatever it was that used to validate us is gone. And now our internal compass has to recalibrate. So ask yourself this question. Who are you outside of that system, outside of that structure, outside of that role? And what's next for you?